Hi, it's Queen Bugs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Surprise! I know it's been a long time since I've been on YouTube, but we have unpackaging to do. I am so excited. Okay, so we have one from Poshmark. Okay. Oh, this bag is hefty. So, you may not have known, but as you can see, I finally have my apartment. As I was saying, it's a lot of stuff that I already had, but one thing is this is basically this is basically a faux Bottega Veneta bag. The other one I had literally, felt more plasticky, but this, feels weighted, and I really like the color. Orange is a good orange is a good color for this bag. Next package. Oh, the Big Daddy. Oh God. She packaged this tight. Ugh. Sweet Jesus. Now, I had a whole bunch of palettes the last time you saw me. I had to re-get them over again. So this is just one of the palettes I had to re-get. But at least this palette was cheaper than when I bought it the first time. Ooh! Sweet Jesus. Let's get this open, please. I'm a savage when it comes to boxes. Ow. Oh my god, she packaged it in the Jeffree Star wrapping. And as you can see, I have a new conspiracy palette. Oh my god. She took extremely good care of this. Ugh. How I miss this palette so much. And the final package of the night. The suspense is weighing me. Ouch. Come on. There we go. Glam Gang affirmations. I am a powerful force of energy and beauty. I will be damned if I let fear decide my fate. I find it amusing when people try to control me. I have a deep rooted respect for myself. I will not be ashamed for what brings me joy. I will strive to be the best diamond version of myself. I will be kind yet ruthless if I am provoked by ignorance. I will turn my envy into motivation. My determination and perse- perseverance is my revenge. There is nothing wrong with me. I am who I am. Glam Gang. I've been looking at Marley's website for years. Finally, I have something from Glam Gothic Beauty. Sweet freaking Jesus. And it's big too. Look at this. That is so cool. Ah. When I get my YouTube back up and running, as in my tripod, everything else I need, I will be sure to show the palette. Well, I'm gonna show the palette now, but like in action, because this is gorgeous. Like, look at these colors and this huge pins. Wow. Oh. Wow, look at that. Oh, so creamy. I love this so much. And the fact that it's Lily Munster, she got my respect. And then here is the black lipstick. Like, Glam Gang. Am I right? Like, oh. Ooh. Oh my god, that's blackest of black. This is called Nightmare. That is black. Oh. I am very, very excited. But I will see you guys later. I love you. My community loves you. And you are valid. Bye.